I just cut my first piece of mu metal with my new shears. I had a minor little paper cut that was hooked to the tape. Right, this is the mu metal. Now this hopefully fit nicely inside this tube. A little overlap. Fits pretty good. Got maybe, I don't know, a little less than an inch of overlap. A little more than I wanted, but not bad. Let's see, just a hollow tube. Push it all the way down. Tape on the edge to hold it together. A little tight, but you get the idea. That's piece number one. They're 1 foot high, and the tube is 4 feet high, so 3 more to go. I'll check back in when I'm finished.